expect. That's all we get is wind and rough waters. Anyway, I'm on a stretch over here that I'm gonna try to fish. I'm out here solo today, so I finally got a solo trip. If you looked at the actually I didn't even post it, but I went out 2 days ago. I took my son, he really wanted to go. What's going on, y'all? We're about to hit the water. Before we start, I don't even really have an intro. I'm with the little one. So what's up, Kayla? We just going, we running late. It's about 10:30 now. We probably won't get to where I'm going till about 11. I'm gonna try to get to that spot I didn't get to last time because the winds was crazy. It's a little better today, so I should be able to get over there. It is a tourney, so no telling what spots will or won't be open or what lines are gonna be fished. Anyway, I'm gonna focus on a wacky. I don't know if you ever seen these. These made by Reaction Innovation, and they're called pocket pushers, I think. If you could see it, I don't know if y'all can see the color. This is green pumpkin and black with blue flake. It has ridges. The reason why I like these, if you use a bigger Cinco, I like these a little better. They have fat ends, and these ripples make waves in the water when it's falling, and it gives it like a weird. I looked at both of them. I put them side by side, and I was dropping them up and down, and I like this action better than the Cinco as far as wacky rig. So if you see, I got the wacky on there. So if y'all want to check it out, hopefully this video I can catch something on it because I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. Black with blue flake does pretty good out here in the Delta, and then the green pumpkin, of course. So they have the best of both worlds. If you go check out these, they have multiple colors. They don't have many as the Cinco. You know, the Cinco is worldwide. They got like 2 billion colors, but y'all check these out. So hopefully y'all can have some success with this. I'm gonna focus on this really with the wacky. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna get out there pushing, and let's go fishing. All right, y'all. So here's that worm I was showing y'all earlier. Probably can see a little better. It's the green pumpkin side. Then you got the black with blue flake side. You see the ends are fatter, stand in the middle. The ripples in it, I think I like the action that gives it a little more when it's actually falling in the water, and give the fish a little more time to look at it, and it causes a little more commotion instead of just a straight fall like the 6, or some people even use 7-inch Cincos. But like I say, nothing against Cincos. They've been working for millions of years, but I've always had success with this with wacky, only wacky. As soon as I go to anything else with and I need a worm, it's Cinco all day. So let's see if we can't. I don't even think I'm gonna start with this. I think I'm gonna start with a drop shot and then switch over to this when the water gets a little deeper. Like I say, right now we're showing like 4 feet and some change. When it drops to like 6 or 7, I'm gonna switch to the wacky rig. But let's start with the drop. I probably fished for 2 hours. I got 2 bites, missed both of them, using the same technique really, just, you know, throwing plastics around. It was low tide, so I was throwing plastics around like 2 leaves and brush. Got 2 bites, and once he passed out, I don't know why he was so tired. He never falls asleep when we fishing, but he passed out, and once he passed out, we took off. Oh, I missed him. Now I can't get to my next spot like I want to in a timely manner. Somebody decided to nap out. It's the first too. He never falls asleep when he's fishing. I went home, so I had 2 hours, about an hour, and I'm gonna say it was productive because I think if I stayed, I probably would have put a couple in the boat. But I'm out here solo today. I'm gonna fish this stretch. I got a bunch of stuff with me. My plan is to throw. I got a big swim bait, if I could get it. There's a fish. All right, guys. Premature. Good fish. Premature. There's a good fish, y'all. Let's get a weight on it. There's one. That's a little baby. That's a little baby. It's a little baby. Midday update. 12:30. I guess technically that's midday. We got out here at 8:45, so I got 5. 4 is a keeper, 1 not a keeper. I'm just hitting this bank with the 2 leads. Tide was up. It's going out now. And it's dropping quick. So I'm gonna try to go back down the stretch and see if I could get on pulling out on the grass line. And then I'm gonna head to another spot. I've been eyeballing the punch a little bit. Hopefully the punch is working because I pull out from the bank and it's another mess that I've seen. I always hit this spot and never go, so I'm gonna give it a try. The thing is, it's I got the 5 mile an hour zone is about a mile, so I gotta take it slow. So it's gonna take like 20 to 25 minutes just in a 5 mile an hour zone to get to that spot. So I'm gonna give it a go and see what happens after that. So 5 so far, 1 not a keeper, 4 were keepers. Like I said, they were all about 1.5 pounds, pound 3/4, nothing too big. Try to go get on a bigger bite. So yeah, let's go. Back to the dock. Been my best trip so far at the Delta, so no complaints. Found a pattern. Tide dropped. The bite slowed down big time, so did what I had to do, but came out, had fun. Yeah, it's all about the tides out here on the dirty, if you know anything about the dirty D. If y'all see, the wind kind of died, so it's not as bad, but it was crazy earlier. But hey, it's the elements you got to deal with. So anyway, still no reaction bites. I'll probably be back in a couple days, 3 days, maybe, hopefully. I don't know. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. It's been real.